This lunchbox has been awesome. Lasted through 2 preschoolers and over 5 years. Still in very good condition. We would still be using it if we weren't forced to upsize son's Yum Box, Tapas, to the largest size. Wildkin, if you ever see this review, please make a larger size and include an external stretch pocket for water bottle. I am compelled to add this review after comparing this lunchbox to my older son's character lunchbox that after 1 year handle is unraveling and interior is tearing. Wildkin never did me wrong like that. Photo of comparison. I like this lunch bag a lot. It's cute and has a decent size insulated compartment. There is an outer zipper pocket and inside mesh pocket. There is also a Velcro elastic cup holder to keep your items secure. It fits nicely inside the matching book bag. I was hesitant to buy because I could probably find something less expensive, but this is a really good box. The sides are sturdy so it won't squish flat with food in it, and it has a pocket to hold a drink and whatever else you need. This Wildkin insulated lunchbox is well made and keeps food and beverages cold for hours. A mesh pocket makes it easy to store an ice pack, while a Velcro strap holder keeps beverages in place inside. The lunchbox is firm but soft enough to collapse a bit if stacked under other lunchboxes or while in a backpack. The outside zippered pocket makes it easy to insert a piece of cardboard for extra reinforcement to prevent crushed or broken contents. It would be great to see an attachable handle and more unique designs offered, especially for teens. Overall, this lunchbox from Wildkin wins in quality, durability and style. Perfect for my baby. We love Olive Kids. My kid loves his new lunchbox. He is obsessed. It doesn't leak and it holds a lot of food. I bought this lunchbox along with the ASIN B003F02B5U Fit and Fresh Cool Cooler Slim Lunch Ice Packs, set of 4. And ASIN B004S129AQ Easy Lunchboxes 3-compartment bento lunchbox containers, set of 4, classic. They work very well together, and the ice packs fit in the mesh pocket inside the lunchbox with no problem. You can stick 2 in there. I purchased the lunchbox for my son, who is 18 months and going to a preschool program a few days a week. I wanted something that was easy for him to open and carry, and this fits the bill. Overall, I really like the lunchbox and think it's well made. I do wish, however, that there was a drink compartment or sleeve on the outside of the lunchbox to keep a water bottle close. This bag is perfect for school, daycare lunches. The dimensions in the description are accurate: 9.75 inches by 7 inches by 3.25. It can fit either a kid's bento box or a Ziploc divided container, both sold separately. I am able to fit 2 of the small thin ice packs like Cool Cooler's thin ice packs, but it is tight fit. I usually put 1 on the bottom and 1 on top of the lunch container. Therefore, this lunch bag was not big enough to fit a drink bottle. I am able to squeeze either a Honest Kids juice pouch or an Organic Valley 6.75 FL. Click link in description for more reviews.